So here I am again. I have my student Ragul. Say hi, Ragul. Say hi. All right, so Ragul, today you're going to do a toy review.
Hi.
What is the toy that you are reviewing? What toy are you reviewing? Go ahead, show us the toy.
So this is Quatran. This is Quatran.
Mm-hmm. Show us the toy. Can we see it?
Yeah. Wait a second. I'm going to. Okay. See this? This is Robot W. Robot W can integrate Quatran. He's like, I think he's like the boss. So I think that means he's a leader. He's the boss. So that means I think he's the leader. To transform him, first you just take the top here. Then do you see this down here? You fold it here, fold it, and then after that, take the head, you put your finger inside, then the head comes out. See? So this is our, he's the legs. He's the legs. He's a fire truck. He's very giant. He's cool. He's so red. The red is so cool. And the back here, it's very red and see. It looks like it's fighting a fire. So to transform this, you know, right here, you take this here, you snap this, then you just take it here.
So this vehicle transforms into what?
Then you take this one broken because it's taking a long time.
So the vehicle transforms into what? What does it transform
right
into?
This is how you transform. Wait. You take the back here. Like this. Right? The leg. And see, these are the legs.
Okay, so it transforms into something kind of like a robot, it appears that. And so how do you spell?
And you've been wondering how to connect it both. See right here, these tabs right here. Right here, these tabs.
Yeah.
And here R has something right here, right? These. Right? So you just see here, first you have to just take this part down. This part down, and then after that you take this part and slide into place. It's a little bit hard, like this, It's a little bit hard to do this one. Okay, after that, and you've been wondering where are the arms. Okay, now let me show you where are the arms. See, these two are C and D. And D is a, if you think this is a boy or a girl, he actually a girl. Because his face is like a girl. It looks like a girl, right? First, here you take the wrists out, and then you take the back, and then there'll be a hanger. You take the front side, and then ta-da! There's this. And that was the same thing. You take the front bit, then the fist, and then take up here and fold it like this, and then that's all. And wait a second, I'll show you how to combine them. Combine them together. First, take C right here, and then put here.
So how many of these cars? How many of these cars can connect to this robot?
Then that's all.
So how many of these cars connect? How many? How many are there here?
There are 4 cars.
There are 4 cars. All right. And so what about the head? What's the head? Where's the head?
3 down here and 4.
The head's here. And so what is the name of this robot when all of the pieces, all the parts are together? What do we name it?
Yes.
What's the name of this when all of the pieces and parts are together?
Its name is Quatran.
Quatran, okay. And so what about when the pieces are separated? What do we call them? Because together it's all Quatran, but what about when it's separated, like all separate vehicles? What do we call it? Is there a name for it? Or
The name is Quatran.
Okay.
That because if you watch it in YouTube or just watch it on TV like me, you could see his name is Quatran. I thought it's only from America, but I didn't know it's from India. It's right. When I saw it from India, I know it. When I found it from India, I thought it's not like Giga 7. He's also in Trova, you can hear it. But it was not there. Because it was only in America. I thought maybe they didn't found Giga 7 here. Because they didn't watch it. Watch it.
Oh, I see.
So I just found. There was one more. It was called Triton, and another one named Titan. And after
so,
that,
would you recommend this toy?
So, but I just found Quatran.
Would you recommend this toy to your friends?
So I just got Quatran.
Would you recommend this toy to your friends?
And my brother ordered something else. I think it was a car bot.
Okay, great. And so, so when the robot's all together, what can it do? Does it have any special power when it's in one piece?
It doesn't shoot anything like that. It just stands there. But see the fish right here? But you could walk like this, but if you want to stand, it can't stand properly because it's so heavy. If you lift your finger, if you buy this toy, lift it with 4 fingers. See how weight it is.
I see.
See here. If you want.
Okay, looks like we're having some trouble. I think we're going to get going. So Ragul, thank you very much. Thank you for showing this Quatran toy. It sounds really interesting. But one more thing I want to ask, how do you spell Quatran? Can you spell it for us? Hello, Ragul, are you there?
Watch. First you make Q-U-E-T. And in the episode, when Quatran will say, "Make way, for I am Quatran," he'll say that in the episode.
Great. Okay, cool. So one more thing. How do you spell Quatran? Can you spell it for us? Q-U. How do you spell Quatran?
You see my eyes are purple. I think because I'm at night I can't see very well.
Okay. All right. Well, anyway, we'll get going. Thank you very much, Ragul. Thank you for showing us your toy. Hopefully we see another toy soon. Thank you. Have a good one, Ragul. Bye. Bye-bye.